everybody, my name is Christy.
Hi, my name is Emma.
Hi everybody, my name is Ed.
Hi everybody, my name is Katie.
Hi, my name is Sophie.
Hi everybody, my name is Ian.
Hello, my name is Ethan.
Hi everybody, my name is Aiden.
And today, we're going to teach you how to make a gingerbread house.
We're going to go through the entire process step by step.
And by the end, we'll have a beautiful and delicious gingerbread house.
Here is what you'll need.
You'll need a base for your house.
The pieces of your gingerbread house.
The pieces for the things that will go around your house.
Icing! And an assortment of candy like gumdrops, marshmallow, M&Ms, Skittles.
Really, anything that you like.
And gloves so it can keep staying sanitary.
Start by piping icing along the side edges of your house. The icing is like glue that will keep your house together.
Then press the pieces together like this. Hold it there for a few minutes to let it sit.
Keep doing this until your house is a sample. Use other things to prop it if you have to.
Pipe more icing along the edges of your house. This fills any gaps and makes sure your house is extra stable.
Don't worry if anything breaks. It's just a cookie. You can use more icing to glue it together.
Wait for your house to set before you add the roof on top. This may take as long as an hour.
1 hour later.
When you're ready to add the roof, be careful because it may easily fall down.
Once the roof is done, you should wait at least 8 hours before you start decorating. This is to make sure your gingerbread house is extra stable.
Much later.
Now it's time to decorate.
Using the icing to glue pieces of candy to your gingerbread house.
I think we should put the ends like on here and the.
This is a mess!
Oh, yay! Yay!
Oh!
Make the entire line outside.
Wow! Teacher, we will eat it, right?
This is just a
I'm going to eat this.
So cool.
Teacher, can I eat this?
Don't lick your gloves yet. Wait till we're all done.
Okay.
This will all take some time to set.
But we don't have to wait because we have one that was made ahead of time.
So you can see what the gingerbread house will eventually look like once the icing has had time to settle. Isn't it beautiful? See? Making a gingerbread house isn't that hard at all.
Can we just take one of these
Walls?
the walls?
Can we?
As that teacher would.
This is so good.
Amazing.
Oh!